Hey everybody, I want you to be able to interpret time distance graphs, sometimes referred to as time positioning graphs. And yeah, and our goal for this is when you look at a graph, a time distance graph, to sort of understand what's going on and what it means about the object. Once again, remember this might be position. I've got 5 different lines, they're all straight. What is this? What does that mean? Why is this one steeper than this? What does a flatness mean? Okay? Why did I choose these things for for those objects, all right? And here's a definition. The reference point is basically where you're measuring from. All right. And remember, distance could also be position. Okay. Now, if you look at these 3 objects, or 3 objects, they're animals. I've got a cheetah, I've got a winged horse, or a horse, or a Mustang, and a dragon. All right. And I've got 3 different lines here representing them. All right. So, what does the steepness of the line tell us? Well, it tells you how fast it's going, its speed or velocity. All right, the steeper, the faster, the less steep, not so fast. So this was the cheetah, and that was the horse, because the cheetah was going along slow, it was walking, and then here's the horse going really fast, and here's the dragon zooming up really, really fast. All right, now these 2 objects are both moving to the left, and the steepness means this one's moving faster, surprise it or not. But they both have a positive slope. What does the positive slope mean? Well, positive slope means simply it's moving in the positive direction, moving up, to the right, to the left, could be anything, but it's whatever you've delineated as positive. Now, the opposite, these 2 people are moving to the left, therefore, they're moving with a negative velocity. All right. So if you've got a negative slope, it means you're moving in the negative direction. Now, if I put them all together, you'll notice that these lines are all straight. All right. What does straight mean? Well, in this, for these things, or for this graph, straight lines or constant slope means constant velocity. All right. Now, what about a flat line? That is a straight line, but what does that mean? Here, this person's levitating. All right. And here, I've got an acorn just standing on it, sitting on a tree. What do both these things have in common? Well, they're not moving. So if I've got a flat line or no slope, that means the object is not moving. Now, what do these things have in common? Well, I've got a rocket being shot and taken off and using its booster, and I'm dropping an object. Both of these objects, they're, they have something similar about their graphs, in that their graphs are getting steeper. All right. What does that steepness mean? Well, it means that the objects are speeding up. And the opposite is true for graphs that are getting less steep. I've got someone braking, they're going to, their line's going to look like this. They're going fast and they're flatlining. And if this ball were being tossed up and then being caught, what would its. Now remember, this is just one dimensional, like up and down. These graphs are one dimensional. What does it mean if it's getting less steep or flatter? That means the object's slowing down. Okay? Now, what do these 2 things have in common? Well, a dragster, its graph would skyrocket at the start and then slowly decline, and a swing would kind of be sinusoidal. All right. What do these things have in common? They all have curves, and curves mean that the object is accelerating. You've got acceleration happening. Could be speeding up, could be slowing down, but it's just accelerating. Okay, that's it. Thanks, and I hope this helps.